Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Well, today is WIP Caddy Wednesday, one of my favorite days of the week to do my filming on. I love WIP Caddy Wednesday because I get to post pictures of you guys, WIP Caddies that y'all have bought, and the different ways that you some of them are not always a WIP caddy. Some are just the way you keep your WIP when you're working on it and stuff. And anyway, it is just so cool. So I love it, guys, whenever you send me the emails and post in the Facebook group page. Now, one of you did post your WIP caddy on Instagram in a message to me, but I couldn't save the image. So if you don't mind, please email me your WIP caddy so that I can include it in next week's video. I was really disappointed that I wasn't able to download that last night. But yeah, so how about we go ahead and get started and see everyone's WIP caddies. Now here we have Teresa. She got this from IKEA. And she said that most of her WIPs are for donation to her local hospital, and that the top shelf is for NICU blankets, mostly corner to corner, and the middle shelf has dolls, booties, and chemo bottle holders, and the bottom shelf has a pair of my slippers, which I have a tutorial on that, and cotton washcloths just for fun. Now here we have Bryn's cart. Bryn just got this, and so she's just now starting to fill it up. Now Bryn does have a YouTube channel you guys might want to go check out. It's called Yarny Things by Bryn. And she is a very sweet lady, and she just likes to get on here and on her channel and just talk about crochet and show off her stuff just like the rest of us. So if you haven't checked out her channel yet, go see what she's up to and what kind of things that she's crocheting. Now here is Susanna's. She just got hers as well. And I see those beautiful baskets that you put in there. Now Susanna says that she is working on a big king-size blanket / bedspread, but it's too big to fit on the cart, so it's actually in another room. But yeah, it is so pretty, and I love the baskets in there. Okay, now here is my sister Tanya's cart. She says that on her middle shelf, she has an almost finished basket on it, and on her bottom shelf, she's working on the year-long Halloween Afghan, which I do have a tutorial on that if you guys like to check that out, and on these baskets that people are having in their carts. Now here we have Sarah's cart, and hers is packed. She says that she has at least 10 projects on this cart. My goodness, they are beautiful projects though. And I see that you have the flower garden scarf up there, which, guys, I do have a tutorial on that if you like that. Now here we have Rebecca's cart. Now Rebecca says that she is working on slippers and 3 baby blankets, and that one of them is in the project bag. And I love the basket, Rebecca. Now here's Lisa's cart. Lisa, you have a lot of beautiful purple projects going on there. Just gorgeous. Now here we have Heather's cart. Heather, I like all the pink. And I see you got the Peekapoo 2 book. Don't you just love that book? Okay, here we have Roxanne's cart. Now, Roxanne says that she's working on a Spider-Man blanket for her 5-year-old grandson. And on the bottom of her cart, she has some yarn that she's waiting to do a crochet along with Crystal from Bag O' Day that starts on March the 1st. And so, guys, if you don't know about that, Crystal does have a crochet along that does start March the 1st, and I think it'll be a lot of fun to join in on that. So go check out Crystal's channel from Bag O' Day and see what that crochet along is all about. Now here we have Sean's cart, and it is piled high, and it looks like on the middle that they may be working on some towel toppers, which I do have a tutorial on that, guys, if you're interested in that. And I see some fabric down at the bottom, and that purple yarn, that Super Saver Ombre, is gorgeous. Okay, here we have Patsy's cart. Patsy says as of right now, she only has a pocket shawl that's on there that's left to finish because she had a very busy week last week. She finished a Valentine outfit for her great-granddaughter's American Girl doll, a basket, and a pocket shawl. Good going, Patsy. Now here we have Elizabeth's cart, and Elizabeth, you got some pretty yarns on there, and those amigurumi projects on the top are so cute. Okay guys, wasn't that a lot of fun? Yeah, I just love it. I love seeing what all you guys are up to, because you know, y'all tune in to me daily almost, or at least 3 to 4 days a week, and see what all I'm up to. And so it is just really nice to get to see what you guys are up to. I just love that. Yeah, so how about we go ahead and see what's on my WIP this week. Well guys, I do believe it's time to pull out the blanket I've been working on all year long for my grandson Knox. So let's get this basket pulled out. So for a year now, I've been working on this 3D Granny Square book. So let's see. I believe all I have left is just putting these squares together. Look at that, guys. Yep, this is on my WIP today, or this week. All right, so let's take a look at this. Okay, guys, so this is where I'm at right now. I've been working on this for a year. Just a few squares each month, and which I really have enjoyed it like this. Well, his birthday is in a couple of weeks, so I need to get started on this. Now that I have it all laid out, I think I want it a little wider. I could always go with a really big border. Just not quite sure. Or I could make another row on each side. But that would mean I got to make 12 more squares. Yeah, I'll let you guys know what I end up doing. Okay, so this is what I came up with. I went ahead and put a row on each side, on the left and right side. And then what I'm going to do after this video today, I'm going to go ahead and put another row across here, and it's just going to be a solid row. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do, I think. I don't know. I have to think about it. But I am going to put another row down here. Yep. And then I'm going to use these clips right here, and I'm going to put clips and hold all of them together and start seaming them up. I think I may just crochet them together instead of seaming. Yeah, I think they'd look cool like that. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to crochet them together, and then I'm going to figure out my border. And it'll just be a simple border, nothing fancy. Just nice and simple. Guys, when I filmed that yesterday, I have decided, yeah, here's what I decided. I am going to, at the top where it says Knox, I'm going to have a red square on each side, and then down at the bottom, it's going to be gray squares with 2 red squares. That's what I decided I'm going to do. So that means I have 2 animals too many. And so I'm going to do something with that. You know me, I may make a basket or something to match it, a pillow. But I'll make those 2 extra animals, you know, go towards a project for him some way or another. I'll incorporate those 2 in. I'm not going to let them go to waste. This cardigan that I'm wearing, I honestly can't remember whose pattern it is. And but I will leave, if I can remember it, I will put the link in the description box. I'm pretty sure it's probably, I believe her name is Pam, but I just can't remember the exact title. And but when it comes to me while I'm editing this video, putting in links and things like that, I will see if I can't come across her name. But yeah, it's really pretty. Look at that. And this is one of those where I was talking about in the back, I left quite a few open stitches. And so this made this where it comes like right here. That's why the more stitches, when you're doing a front panel and a back panel, the more stitches you leave open in the neck area determines the width of these front panels. But this one is really cool. It has buttons on here. Oh, buttons wrong side. It's got these buttons. I found these really cute buttons right here. I found those at Hobby Lobby. Okay, guys, let's do our 365 days of prayer. Every opportunity. Don't allow yourselves to be weary or disheartened in planting good seeds, for the season of reaping the wonderful harvest you planted is coming. Galatians 6:9. Lord, you know how easily I can get discouraged by things not working out the way I hoped they would. But you, God, are relentlessly faithful in all you do. Thinking through my disappointments right now, I remember that you are a God of redemption, always faithful to come through and make things new. I will not give up planting the seeds of your kingdom life. Even if I don't see growth happening right now before my eyes, hand you the weight of the discouragement I felt and ask for your blanket of peace to rest on me. Let faith rise as I continue. Strengthen me as I hold on to hope. Empower me to love the way you love, not being exclusive or withholding. I trust that as I persevere in hope, you will come through as you always do. Let my life be marked with your life. Jesus, that all would know the freedom and joy that you bring. What opportunities do you have to show the character of God to others? That is really good. Okay, well, guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this as much as I have. And just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.